Hi my friends, today we model this part which is made of gold. You see how rich we are. This is a model taken from this tutorial made in SolidWorks. You'll find the link in the description. You see what is the work in SolidWorks. It goes to creating faces, surfaces, and he cuts this and he obtained this object. Let's try to do this in Inventor, this model. I think that we have a simpler procedure in Inventor. Let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, first sketch in the XY plane. I use polygon with 4 sides centered in the center point and which has this face, this side horizontal with dimension of 50. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, also 50. Okay. By using the dimensions collected during the tutorial in SolidWorks, I made this drawing. You see dimensions 50, 50, 50. This is a cube. Is made of gold, and I'm waiting for you to imagine what is the weight of this cubic gold. Okay, we use these dimensions 10, 10 here to create this cut, this triangular cut. The triangle is of course equilateral. Okay, to do this we create a 3D sketch. We include geometry from this object and we draw lines starting from here, going to somewhere here, then on the other edge and closing the contour. Dimensions 10 at each corner, but we can obtain the same value if we make all these lines sides as equilateral. Now we have a fully constrained sketch, even if we don't see here the dimension. Finish sketch. We create a plane by using 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, and we have this plane. We use the plane to apply split. We select the tool, which is this plane, then we have to select faces, but I want to be sure that we keep both cuts. that solid is this one. Okay, I hide the 3D sketch and the plane visibility, and now we have two volumes. This is one and this is another. To be sure of this, I make this second volume as colored in red, as we used to do. Very good. We hide the main volume because we want to create a mirror of this one about this face. Mirror the body, the solid, not a feature. What is the mirror plane? This is the mirror plane. I make this a unique volume. I don't use new solid to obtain this, so we have two symmetrical solids in one. Okay, now I make visible back the main volume, and I apply combine by using this as a base body and the other one as a tool body. We apply cut from this one, we subtract this one. Okay, very interesting. Now we want to create the other cut here, which is not symmetrical with this one. This has a line up and this has a line down. I cannot project this or make create a plane to apply mirror because this is upside down, as I can say. What is the strategy? You will compare my strategy with the one of the guy who created this object in SolidWorks. Okay, take a look here. I select this face, I draw a line from corner to corner, I apply mirror. Where is mirror? Here, of this projected line about this diagonal. Done. Finish sketch. Then I select this face to create a new sketch. I project there this line. You see, this one. Finish sketch. And now I turn back this and I use again this 3D sketch. I include geometry. We cannot say I project when we work with 3D sketches. We use include geometry because this is in space, not in plane. I include this line, and I draw two lines. One starts from here, goes here, and the other goes back here. I don't apply any dimension because I use equal to make equal this line with this projected line. and this too as well. Finish sketch, plane, point, point, point. 3 points define a plane. And apply split with this work plane, and we also keep the both cuts. Okay, I hide the 3 sketches, also the plane, and now I make this solid as having the color blue. Blue wall paint glossy. You see, this is the new volume we have. We hide the main volume, visibility, and we apply again, you know, this plane. To apply mirror. Mirror as a solid, it is selected because you don't see another one. Mirror plane is this one. Okay, and I make visible back the main volume, visibility. Good. Now you see a small object there. I apply combine by using this body or solid as base body and this one as tool body. What I do a cut. Okay, now we see the hole here. Yes, new and interesting solution. You see the result. In the drawing we have this 7.5 distance on each side. For this new cube which is inside the other one. Yes, this is a cube inside the other one. If this dimension from this face to this face is 7.5, this means that from this 50 we have to subtract twice 7.5 dimension to have the side of the new cube. Let's do this. We apply again XY plane as a base for a new sketch. F7. You see here something very interesting. We use a polygon which is a square with this center and this horizontal or vertical, not important. This side is 50 minus twice of 7.5, which is in the drawing. This means 35. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical with 35 as well. Okay, now we have cube in cube perfectly. I apply fillet now with this selection, my friends, to apply to all these many edges the same value. I can place a dimension for 12 edges and other dimension for the other 24 edges, because this is inside and this is outside. Which is inside? This. Which is outside? This. I use 1 millimeter. Oh, I suppose I didn't place here the dimension. No, I didn't. I didn't forget. All fillets are radius 1. Once again, fillet this solution with 1 millimeter for each of the two. 1. Okay. The work is finished, yes? Let's see what about the volume. High properties, physical. This is not material. You still think about the weight, yes? Now we are interested in the volume, not the weight. Copy, close, drawing, double click, and the volume. Oh, it's different from the other one. I suppose I made mistake with this, but you have seen what I did, and this is the result. Okay, I make this of being gold. Oh, but not this color. The color must be gold metal. This is. I apply shaded, not shaded with edges, and now we can compare the two. You see, I don't see anything different. What is the weight? Have you any idea? Any proposal? This is 5 centimeters side, 5. So you can keep this in your hand. Yes? You can think about 300 grams, 500 grams. Let's see what is the truth. The truth comes from applying again eye properties, and you see the new value and the weight, which is about 2 kilos, my friends. 2 kilograms. The gold is very heavy. Platinum is greater than gold, but both are almost the same. Good. Our part is finished. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.